A long time ago, there was a couple. Both of them were already old, yet they didn't have children. They wished for a child and they prayed every day. One day, Buto Ijo, or a giant, came to them. He said he would grant the old couple's wish to have a child, but with one condition. They had to give the kid to Buto Ijo when she reached 17 years old. The old couple was very happy to know this, and without hesitation, they agreed with Buto Ijo. After the agreement, a lovely girl was born from one of the golden cucumbers planted in the old couple's yard. They decided to name the girl Timun, or golden cucumber, suiting the place she was born in. Timun grew into a cheerful and smart kid. The old couple was very happy to see Timun's development every day. This happiness continued until Timun reached 17 years old. When Timun reached her age, they remembered the agreement with Buto Ijo. Knowing this, the mother and the father were very sad. They didn't want to lose their only kid. So, they tried to make Timun stay alive by giving her a pouch. Inside the pouch were cucumber seeds, salt, and shrimp paste. They told Timun that if a giant came after her, she just needed to throw each item to Buto Ijo. On Timun's 17th birthday, Timun was ready. Buto Ijo came after her, just as her parents said. She ran swiftly and she threw the cucumber seed. The seed turned into a tangled plant, trapping Buto Ijo's feet. His chasing stopped for a while, but he managed to get off the plant. Realizing that the plants couldn't stop Buto Ijo, Timun threw salt. The salt turned into a sea, which drowned the giant. But still, he was able to outrun Timun. The last item inside the pouch was a shrimp paste. Timun threw it, and it turned into quicksand. This time, Buto Ijo couldn't get away. The quicksand sucked him so quickly till he drowned in it. Timun was saved, and she can gather with her family again.